Hello students, I am Ranjit sir. I am back with new video and this is the second part of the story, the fun they had. So before starting this new video, I would like to recall the story which we have read earlier. I mean in the first video. So far we have read that in this story there are two main characters. One is Tommy and other is Margie. Tommy is 13 years old while Marge is 11 only. One day, Tommy found a real book. He showed it to Margie. Margie didn't like the book because she hated school. And why she hated school? Because her school was different from ours. Meanwhile, Margie's mother became upset because she was not doing well in geography section. A county inspector whose job is to repair a mechanical teacher came and set the speed of the mechanical teacher right up to the level of an average 10-year-old child. The inspector assured her mother that Margie was doing well. She was performing well. There was no problem with her, but with mechanical teacher. But Margie was not happy. She became upset. She became disappointed. So, this is the story so far. Now we will continue the story. Margie was disappointed. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away from nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Margie was disappointed. She was sad. She was upset because she was not hoping that the county inspector would repair his teacher so quickly. She was hoping that the teacher would take almost 1 month to be repaired as Tommy's teacher, which was away for a month. So she thought of being free from study, but it didn't happen. Why she wanted it? Because she hated the school and she hated the boredom. So, so she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Here is new word for you. Loftily means here meaning wisely. Wisely. So meaning is clear now. Now she asked Tommy. Margie asked Tommy why anyone would write about a school. What is interesting in a school? For her, the school was not interesting. The subject of school was not interesting. There is nothing interesting in school. So nobody will write about school. So it doesn't make any sense to write about school. But having heard this question by Margie, Tommy looked at her with elderly eyes, as he knew everything, as if he knew the reason behind writing a book about school. He answered wisely her that it's not their kind of school which ran in a room. This is the old kind of school that the grandfathers to the grandfathers had hundreds and hundreds years ago. He added further wisely. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Further, Margie says that Margie was hurt. The author says here, Margie was hurt. Margie was hurt to listen the question, and questioned him that she didn't understand what kind of school they had all that hundreds years ago. She didn't understand it. Reading the book and reading the book, she said that though the school centuries ago was different, but that must have a teacher. So what Tommy replied, he said, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Now, Tommy replied her that, of course, there was a teacher. Here is a new word, regular teacher. What is the meaning of regular teacher? Uh, regular teacher. Regular teacher means here mechanical teacher, right? Regular teacher means mechanical teacher. Tommy is talking about mechanical teacher. So Tommy said that, replied her that undoubtedly at that time there was a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was not like a robot, but it was a man. Now Margie was surprised to hear it, surprised to know it, that there was a man as a teacher. Now further we move. Now she again questioned, a man? How could a man be a teacher? According to Margie, it seemed like that she wanted to tell that there is no possibility of a teacher to be a man. There was no possibility because a man cannot be smart enough like a robot, like a mechanical teacher. Here is the comparison between mechanical teacher and a teacher to be man. Sure, he is, but Tommy disagrees. Tommy disagrees with the fact my father knows as much as my teacher. Now Tommy defended that no, it was possible. Even his father knew about everything, knew about many things as a mechanical teacher knew. Again, Margaret said what she said, he can't. A man can't know as much as a teacher. Margie was not ready to understand that a man cannot be as wise as a teacher. Here as a teacher means mechanical teacher. Here is teacher, here teacher referred to a mechanical teacher. So a man cannot be wise as a teacher, as a mechanical teacher. He knows almost as much, I bet. Now Tommy said, I can bet on it that my father knows as much as a mechanical teacher knows. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. But here Margie was not ready to fall in a dispute with him. She said, and what she said she wouldn't want a strange man in her house to teach her. So this is all for today. In the next video, we will continue the story, and I hope I will conclude the story in the next video. So to all of you, have a good day till the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.